being here in Ridgecrest, their hometown track. It's really rough. Won't be very many survivors, I expect, so I'm just hoping to survive and finish somewhere on top. First car off the line tomorrow, so I'm pretty stoked about that.
thanking our series sponsors who make this all possible for us to facilitate our series. This year it's been Patrick Signs, who's continuing on as a series sponsor. Love Pat Dean and all that they do for us, all our banners, signage, anything we need as far as helping physically promote our event. So we love Pat Dean, and he's actually, him and his boy come out and race with us, so we love all they do for us. So, and also McKenzie's brings parts out for you guys to the last minute things you need, but McKenzie's is come on as a co-series sponsor, and then they are also the sponsor of the Race to the River event. So thank you so much to those guys, Roy and Jeff over there. We are here in honor of Motion Tire as our event sponsorship, the Motion Tire 300. The Boyle family has just been great to our organization, and we're so proud to be able to put on this race with their name on it and do this together. So we're so thankful to Motion Tire and the Boyle family. Of course, Tommy himself, Tommy Mathers, hosting it in this great facility here, and all that they do to help us, you know, get the Kmart parking lot. They're friends with the different people around town, obviously a small town, but they make this happen for us and for our event to go smooth here. So Jim Tucker and Dan Meyer, all these different people that make this event happen for us, make it easy for us coming from Vegas, and so we can all meet here and have a great event. So thanks to Tommy T and all them. So thank you guys. I want to thank all of our volunteers, our officials, Bill Shapley and Don, all those guys for doing the tech. I want to thank our lineup, our staging crew with Jeff Bruner and his bunch of guys, Dad and Rick Kruger and all these different people that come out and support us. Lynn, our treasurer, we got money to give away. Angie Mitchell, our volunteer coordinator, what a job she's done. That's a really tough job. I mean, last night we had quite a few cancellations of volunteers, people that couldn't make it, but she was able to dance things around and get a couple extra people in place, and we covered the race today, and hopefully you guys felt safe when you guys were out there. Lincoln County, the search and rescue guys, Kern County, I'm already a race ahead. Kern County Search and Rescue, they ran some checkpoints. Who's our medical staff that helped with Keith Jones, Sundance Safety, Fire Hockey locally, so we partnered. Really thankful for that. We can't go without thanking all of you guys for choosing to race with SNORE. So thank you to all the racers. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts, really.